Qingdao Joint Tech Machinery Incorporated is located in Laixi, Qingdao City, close to Qingdao Airport and Qingdao Port. It is a modern machinery equipment manufacturer integrating design, production, sales, and service. Our product is applicable for cow, beef, cattle, goat, sheep farm. Main product including TMR feed mixer, feeding machine, cow dung removal machine, feeding machine, calf feeder, cow cubicles material spreader, silage reclaimer, milk cooling tank, drinking water trough, cow hoof trimming machine, and so on. The production process of the product is CNC cutting of raw materials, welding, assembly, grinding, painting, testing, and inspection. We are seriously responsible for each details and every parts, because after many years of hard work, we have created the production concept of Joint Tech Machinery's details determine success or failure. Because of our attention to detail, we have excellent equipment. We attract many overseas customers to visit the factory and cooperate with us friendly every year. Our products are positioned in medium and high-end equipment. Learn from foreign and our own mature products. Striving to be a real China's wisdom, products have been exported to Chile, Peru, Saudi Arabia, Kenya, Syria, the United States, Canada, Spain, Mexico, Guatemala, Thailand, Vietnam, Malaysia, and other countries. And products are well received by customers. As a manufacturer, we can provide you with excellent products, best price, and fast delivery. We sincerely hope to establish a pleasant and long-term cooperative relationship with you.